What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I want to go over a few things. And ULTY, we're going to look at, and MSTY, we're going to look at. So I find this very interesting with the tide and the pendulum swinging, because one of them seems like it's holding up, the other one seems like it's falling. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these ETFs right now. Let's not forget the Roundhill WeeklyPay Universe ETF is doing better than both. So in the past 5 days, it's been up 2.16%. But we really want to go over MSTY and ULTY. So in the past 6 months, MSTY has been down 31.42%. That's it's not a good thing. In the past month, it's been down 10.31%. In the past 5 days, it's been up 1.22%. In the past day, which is ongoing, it's down 1.87%. So the synthetic call ETFs are not doing very well with the YieldMax. The only two that I own are PLTY and HOOY. Those are two that, again, if Roundhill has their WeeklyPay ETFs, I may drop PLTY into PLTW. And then HOOY, I may drop into the Roundhill ETF that has Robinhood. So you're seeing a trend with a lot of these YieldMax ETFs that maybe synthetic calls are not the way to go. Now, don't get me wrong, I love YieldMax. I love their portfolio options income ETFs. I think those are very strong. I think they're very powerful, and I really think that they can do some serious damage long-term wise for not NAV, but actually passive income, because CHPY has done very well for me, and LFGY has as well. So the portfolio options income ETFs, I would love for YieldMax to start being more diversified in these portfolio options income ETFs. They raise a lot of capital, and I really think that they should have a strong division in that, because I think they can generate a lot of money, and with their expense ratio, they'll make some good money with that. And people like myself will enjoy earning the passive income from the YieldMax ETFs. But the synthetic calls don't seem like they're doing well, any of them. And we're not just going to look at MSTY. CONY has been down 62.81%, and it's down $11.57 since inception. So it was really good at one point as a Coinbase. Then it's gone down. Again, these are the synthetic calls. So this is not too good. This is since inception. The past 6 months, it's been down 23.03%. So a lot of these ones that are correlated with crypto are just not doing too well. And that's a problem with the synthetic call ETFs. Now, don't get me wrong. I'll say this again. I love the portfolio options income ETFs. And I also do believe, based on the trends, that ULTY still has a shot. So we're looking at April 4th when ULTY hit a rock bottom, and then it switched from synthetic call ETFs to actual holdings. And at one point it was 640, but now it's 567. So the NAV is kind of holding up. And I know they have a very, very volatile stocks, but it's holding up. Now, the distribution may not be as planned. I mean, is there a chance that it can get up to 640 again? Sure. It actually has holdings to help them. Now, if YieldMax actually had a universe fund of actual stocks, that would be amazing. And they probably could do that with the amount of money that they have. If they made something like that, that would be really cool. but you know, it's not my call, it's their call. But ULTY is just sitting there, and it's maybe going to make a possible comeback, 548, 567. Again, I said I was going to buy some ULTY. I was going to use it to buy dividend growth stocks. I don't think I'm going to go all in with ULTY. I think that's a little too crazy. This is why I'm well balanced. And I sold ULTY into the other options income ETFs, and I'm doing very well. On pace to making more than $5,000 a month in passive income to buy dividend growth stocks. Like if you watch my previous video, you'll see what I'm talking about. So it's maybe going to hold up. 567, 568. So, you know, there's a potential of a rebound, unlike MSTY. I think MSTY is done. And if MicroStrategy has a big boost, maybe, but I just think it's very hard and it's very challenging with a synthetic call ETF to survive. I mean, you know, if there's an equilibrium of, if the stock's not moving and it's stagnant, that's going to hurt MSTY more. But ULTY has actual holdings. And again, I'm going to show you the distribution of the decline of MSTY and how ULTY is holding up. Now, again, I'm going to go to stock analysis. April 4th, 2024, 412, 252, 303, 233, 194, 185, 419, 442, 308, 227, 202, 137, 133, May 237, June 147, July 123, July 31st, 2025, 118, then August 108. I mean, are we getting to the point where it's going to be less than $1? It's looking like that based on the trends. And with the dividend yield of 165.74% and MSTY not doing anything with the NAV because MicroStrategy is not jumping up, we might have a problem. And unfortunately, for MSTY owners, this may not be a ETF to retire on for passive income. This is why I like more of the REX shares or the NEOS or even Curve a little bit better than the YieldMax synthetic call ETFs. Now let's jump to ULTY. So here's April when the danger zone happened, pretty much 8 cents, 9 cents, 11 cents, 10 cents, 9 cents, 9 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents. August. That was a good time. August 28th, 9 cents, 9 cents, 9 cents. So we're at 9 cents right now. I mean, it's the NAV is starting to hold up with ULTY, but with MSTY, it's just not looking good. And I don't feel too confident with MSTY the way things are holding up. It's just not. Again, synthetic call ETFs I try to avoid. Unless they're really good, and unless there's a really good bull market with like Palantir or with Robinhood, that's when I'm going to buy them. But you know, long-term retirement on synthetic call ETFs, I don't think is a good idea long-term wise. So that's kind of why I like the portfolio options income ETFs way better. Or if you have something like ULTY that actually has holdings in it now, that's what makes it unique and having an opportunity to still be a winner. I just think MSTY is the loser. Just looking at the trends, they're not coming back, they're not winning, and the distribution's gone down. At least with MSTY, at least with ULTY, you're getting 9 cents. 9 cents, 10 cents. The NAV is starting to hold up, maybe, but the NAV is dropping with MSTY. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Take care and have a good one. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence. Go to a financial advisor for financial advice. Go to a tax advisor for tax advice, please. You shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. And please don't buy things because I buy things. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes only. You guys take care and have a good one.